kinumpirma ng aktor na si Elijah Canlas, 23, na break na sila ng kasintahang si Miles Ocampo, 26. "We broke up a couple months ago," pahayag ni Elijah sa panayam ng ABS-CBN News ngayong Huwebes, November 23, 2023. "But I'm always gonna have love for her, and I'm always gonna support her in whatever she does. And I'm always be her #1 fan, basically. But right now, we're just taking our time figuring out ourselves and our lives right now." Sinabi ni Elijah na nitong mga nakaraang buwan ay may mga pinagdaanan sila sa kani-kanilang buhay at nais muna nila itong maayos. Aniya, "Well, yeah, we went through a rough patch recently, mainly because we're going through our own personal stuff and it's been hard. So, we're figuring things out." Sa panayam ng ABS-CBN, nilinaw ni Elijah na hindi sila galit sa isa't isa ni Miles. Saad niya, "Yeah, we're okay. We're not mad at each other or anything like that." Noong Agosto ay pumanaw ang bunsong kapatid ni Elijah na si JM Canlas sa murang edad na 17. Si Miles naman ay sumailalim sa operasyon dahil sa kanyang thyroid problem. Lagpas 2 taon ang itinagal ng relasyon ni na Elijah at Miles. Isinapubliko nila ang tungkol dito noong June 2022. Noong panahong iyon, lagpas 1 taon na ang kanilang relasyon. First boyfriend ni Miles si Elijah. Noong May 1, 2023, isang madamdaming birthday message ang ibinahagi ni Elijah sa Instagram para sa birthday ni Miles. Mensahe ng aktor, published as is, "Witnessing your growth has been such an inspiration. I'm grateful I get to share this journey with you, Camille. You're a blessing to this world, and I'm blessed to call you mine." Dagdag pa niya, "Happy birthday, my love."